Hi guys, let's see how to indent texts in Google Sheets. So let's say these are the subcategories and you want to indent it to, slightly to the right. So how to do this? Just select those items which you want to indent and then click on this 1, 2, 3 more formats option. And now hover down the mouse to custom number format, click on it. Now here just type 4 or 5 spaces, okay, the space which you want to provide, and then after that just type @. So you have typed a number of spaces and then @sign and click on apply, and you will see that this indent like this. Now if you want to copy this same indentation here, just click on paint format and just select another one, and it will automatically be done like this. Again do this paint format and it will be done like this. So this is the first method. Now let's try second method. In that case, what you can do, you can just copy these values to a similar column, next similar column. Okay, now once you have copied this, you can delete these items. Okay, and now what you can do, you can just hover your mouse here and drag it like this. It will be visible like this. So this also is another alternative method. So thanks for watching.